Hello guys, we are back with the coding episodes and today we are going to do the operators tab. So there's not much in this tab to learn about, so we are gonna do two tabs, the operators tabs and the variables tab. And I already picked that out. These are like the maths. If this plus this, find out the value of this number and this number, you can use this variable. I'm gonna teach you. If I just real quick set my variable to 5 and plus 8 and go ahead and put in here, then when I click this, it is gonna add to my variable every time I click it. Instead, you can just use a change block, what you can use the multiply or the divide block, like 1.5. Yeah, I'm just gonna set my variable and the divide, because you can just do the minus and plus from here. Like if you wanna add, just change your variable by 5 and it is gonna add 5. Or if you wanna change my variable to take out 5, you can use minus 5 and it is gonna take out 5. I'm just gonna go ahead and enlarge here. Yeah. Oh, I got in minus. Yeah. And you can show this variable or hide this variable at the specific times of your project. For example, now it's hidden. Now it is showing. And you can also make a list, name subscribe, like you should do that now if you haven't subscribed. And you can add things to the subscribe. For example, you can and some of you said that you forgot to tell about the ask variable. So what does the ask variable does? It literally asks you a question, not what's your name, what do you want to add? Yeah, I'm go ahead and click on that, and I want to add 555. Tick. Now it is my answer, and if I click this, it is gonna add 555. And if I ask again, now it is gonna add now. So that was the ask one. And you can also delete one of subscribe. It is now deleting and everything got deleted. Yeah. And delete all of subscribe. It is just gonna empty the list. Just let me go ahead and clear this out. Yeah. Now insert this thing, this whatever, you can use my variable, etc. Add this number, these are the numbers. Add this number of this specific list. And it is the same with replace item #1 of subscribe thing. Just look, it is currently now for number 1 and now it is thing. For example, I want to do it for 4. Replace item 4. Now it became a thing. Yeah. And this is item, this number of item of subscribe, and this will item of thing. At what number this specific word is standing in this list. For example, if I just real quick add subscribe, short form of subscribe, is now number 1, item of sub, and it is gonna give us the value number 1 because it's at the first place. And what is the length of subscribe? This is the length. means how many words are there in subscribe. Currently it is 7. It could be another. And let's check if subscribe contains this specific word. Like if subscribe contains subscribe, then ask to subscribe. Yeah, literally. And I wrote the spelling wrong. Yeah, and ask to subscribe and wait. And where was it? The variables. Add. Where is the add? Add. Oh, add. Like I'm gonna go ahead and drag answer block. Add answer to subscribe. Like for example, if I do this, but it doesn't contain subscribe, so I'm just gonna add subscribe. And when I click on subscribe, it is same. Oh, I forgot to put in a forever loop. Yeah. Why isn't it working? I don't know. Yeah. And I see hello, and add answer. Like it should have added. Yeah. I don't know why wasn't it working. It is gonna show false, but subscribe is I forgot to click on this block. Yeah. Now it is containing subscribe. It is gonna ask me for BLA, and I'm just gonna clear the list, delete all of subscribe, and now I'm gonna add. Oh, now it doesn't contain subscribe. Now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, 8 got skipped. Yeah. So that was for the variables, and let's come back to the operators. I don't know why I left it. Yeah, these are the if this specific condition is bigger than this specific thing, and like just like this, and this is gonna pick randomly from this to this number. And now what does it does? For example, if I want to join, set my variable to sub, but subscribe is not completed with sub, right? So what I am gonna do, subscribe, join my variable and subscribe. Yeah, it became subscribe, and if I click it once again, it is gonna get beveled up. And this letter number of this specific word. It doesn't really comes in handy. This can also come in handy for like password making. Like what is the length of my variable? 15 characters. And if I do this, because first of all it confirmed it set it to 15. After that it has set it to like 2 digits, because there were 2 digits and 2 digit was a single digit, so now it is a single digit. And this thing doesn't really works unless you are making even if you are making a super complicated project, it is still not gonna do the trick. And now let's see if my variable let's just set to sub. My variable contains a, false, but if I do it to a, set my variable to a real quick, and this is gonna show true. So this is the round variable, like it is just gonna round the number given. And these are the like the advanced mathematics, ABS, flow, ceiling. Like if you are a math student, all of these. Okay, I'm not really a math student. If you want to learn maths, go ahead. I have given another channel at my homepage. It's like my sister's channel. Go ahead, watch it. She teaches very good maths. She's actually pretty good at maths. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you guys.